me again, Chrisberleen, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this. I ran out of vitamin C, so I have to order it again online. And this time, instead of choosing delivery, I chose pick up because we already have a hub here on Ontario, Canada. It's located in Burlington, and all I have to do, it's because I'm already a member of this company, I already have a discount. So I have to add to cart and then click pick up, and I will just find the hub here in Canada, and I will just choose to pay using my shopping wallet. Just contact the hub and they will just deliver it to my customer. If I want to order like this, deliver it to me. And I'm so excited. So let's open it. This Rosy is non-acidic vitamin C because it's buffered with minerals such as the sodium, calcium, and magnesium. That's why it's an alkaline vitamin C. If you are acidic to ascorbic acid, or your stomach couldn't tolerate the ascorbic acid, this is another option, a substitute for your vitamin C. It's fat soluble, which means it's unlike other vitamin C that is water soluble, that after you take it, you pee in just a few minutes and it will turn yellow. Unlike this one, it's fat soluble, that it stays in your system for the whole day and boost your immune system for a longer period of time. So prevention is better than cure, because right now we don't want any cough, we don't want any colds. So that's why I ordered it again for all of us here. And it has, as it says, Rosy. There's a rose hip. It's a high potent vitamin C, higher than the orange. It lowers your cholesterol, it prevents cancer. Yes, if you want to get yours, I will put it in the link in the description box below for the Philippines, and for the international, I'll put it there as well. If you have any questions, you can message me and I'll put my contact details link in the description box below as well. So I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!